Welcome back, family. Oh, I'm so excited to see you back. First thing first, I told you in my previous video that we're going to be bringing out the prices for materials on our foundation. And for those of you who are already at a different level in your construction project back home, this may not be for you, but it's still for you because you will see some prices of materials that you still will need going forward. And for those that are intending to start, I mean, there'll be a good way to gauge what you should be expecting to pay to at least get your foundation started. And I'm basing this on a 3 to 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and self-contained house with everything, front porch, back porch, living, dining, and everything. There's no story, but this is just going to be based on 3 to 4 bedroom. And luckily for us, the prices still apply, could still apply to a story building because we bought most of these materials for our garage we are working on currently, and that's where we got this. And remember one thing, remember that the gas prices being up is affecting everything in the market. So if you were somebody that was a little bit leaning on the fence and thinking that, oh, let me just wait a little bit, I mean, prices, these prices, especially in Liberia, once they go up, they don't calm down. They only keep going up. So, I mean, if you planning on doing something and you want to do something, maybe there's a time to start taking that serious. And besides that, I mean, if you look at the rest of the world, how things are going now, you need a plan B. I mean, you can just be here and think that, everything is always going to be. So you need a plan B so that while building your home back home, as a plan B for you and your family, I mean, it's key. But hey, before I forget, let me say the big thank you again to my subscribers. Guess what, guys? We are breaking the record. We just started, and this morning when I check it, we are at 50 subscribers, and before the time of this video, we are already at 57, going to 60. We can hit that number, guys. We can hit 100. Join me, let's do this so we can bring more of these current, accurate, fresh information to you. We appreciate you. I just want to say thank you to everybody that have subscribed. Thank you to everybody that have been watching. Thanks to everybody that have been hitting that like button. So if you haven't subscribed, please do that because you're going to be missing out. All right, let's get into these prices.
This is the 42.5 grades. Okay. This is mainly used for upstairs building, high-rise structure building. This is 42.5 grades. You can find futa, you find cement having this product. And then the 32.5 is also used for, it's not also used for, it's mainly used for the bungalow. Yeah, so we highly recommend, T&J Construction highly recommend for the 2.5 when it comes to high-rise structure like upstairs building. Yeah. So the 32.5, let me take a carry to the 32.5, see is what I'm talking about. For this type. Okay. For this type, this is mainly used for bungalow houses, 32.5 grades. Okay. It's mainly produced by cement. Yeah, so that's the difference between the two. Otherwise, we always recommend 42.5 for high-rise structure, like story buildings and so.
Yeah, some of the 42.5 grade in storage. The recommended sand for your foundation will be the rough sand. As you can see, the truck is delivering that, and it's $25 per blade. So 6 blade will be the max that can fit in that truck. I always encourage my customers to just get the 6 blade because whatsoever's left after we do the foundation, it can continue until the superstructure laying of the blocks, and then if we need additional sand, we can bring it in at that time. But yeah, I mean, 6 blade plus transportation, you're looking at least $300. I mean, if you're building 3 to 4 bedroom house. I know you at least, let's see, start with the 6 blade, because if you get 4 blade or if you get less than that, you're still going to pay the $150 in transportation or the $100 in transportation. So why not just go with the 6 blade?
Okay, so we have 2 different types of rocks here. These ones you see here, so the bigger grades, they are meaning for the foundation. Then for the beam and the cordon casting, we'll be using this other grade. Yeah, so there are 2 different grades. 6-inch blue we use. So these are the entire few of them. Yeah. I don't want the time comes, then
So we spend $1,250 for the 2 kinds of gravel, including the transportation. In some instances, we recommend the gravel dust that will be used as the sand for the foundation casting. So that's it. You see there's $70 per blade. So with the 12 millimeter steel and the 10 millimeter and the 14 millimeter steel, you'll be spending around $1,100 for steel, including transportation for your foundation and some of the support columns, as you can see, all getting set up here by our guys. Yeah. So when it comes to the wah-wah board, you're gonna be spending around $450 to $500. That will include the transportation as well to get the foundation done. And we can kind of reuse some pieces for the superstructure, but then we'll have to get some more to later. But here is the tie wire and the better line we're gonna need to actually run the foundation. Yes, remember 5 shovels, at least 4 or 5 diggers, and at least 6 hairpin. This one we provide, the digger we provide, and then for the wheelbarrow you will have to buy it because I mean they don't last that long. So, and then you need some of the round posts that we'll use for the profile laying, and then we are into the foundation setup. We usually hire the young guys in the neighborhood to help with the excavation process, and that way we provide a little job, for people in the community. It's a win-win deal for us because now we have people that are in the community, washing our materials, so they don't get stolen and stuff like that. So yeah, that's why we like to hire. Every neighborhood we're working, we hire the guys from there to do the helping work, and then after that our skilled laborers will come and then do the block laying and then setting up the foundation. First of all, setting the columns, and then we do the footing, and then the block laying guys will come and do that. The plumber will come and set up the pre-plumbing stuff for the house or for the business center, and just like that we keep rolling along. As you can see here, we are working in a swammy area, so we have to dig deeper to get to the bearing soil that will be able to support the weight of the building. So we dig up all the mud, the sludge, and then went all the way down. So as you can see, or as you will see in this video, we even brought in our water pump to be sucking the water out as the guys are digging all the way through. So, but yeah, on this foundation we got to the right depth, and our guys are good to go for this coming Monday to start doing the footing for the foundation and erecting the columns and all that good stuff. So As you can see, all the guys are working currently right now are the neighborhood guys. And yeah, just another way to provide job, provide something for the young guys in the neighborhood. And for some of them are serious, I want to learn, we also provide training too as well, just to help our brothers. This is not about getting rich quick scheme. It's just about making a difference in our community and in the life of our people. That's why on all of our construction site we haven't had anybody taking things. We provide food as well as the guys work, water, and then we pay them at the end of the day. And that's it. There you have it, folks. Now, with all the material prices laid out, I mean, it's only going to depend on the size of your structure, of your house or your business center. You know, we're going to charge you per square foot. We don't do the 25% of material cost because, I mean, in a way, it get to cheat you. You know, because I mean, if an unethical person or contractor can just jack the material prices up just to get more money out of you, but we're going to charge you per square foot. So definitely it's going to be based on the size of your home or of your business center that you are trying to build. So if you're ready, we can do your blueprints, and then from your blueprints, we can know the square footage and give you a workmanship cost on that. So that's how it goes. And hey, if you in the construction space, you're trying to do big things, maybe you're trying to do an estate or you know, build a couple or rent a property and stuff like that, and you would like to collaborate with us, hey, come on, call us, get in touch with us, let's do business. Let's see how we can work something out. I mean, we are just in this to be able to help each other out. So it's not so much about making a lot of money, but it's about, you know, being that bridge between you and what you're trying to do back home as it relates to your construction projects or as it relates to your own low contribution, you know, to Liberia as a whole. Because as you know it, I mean, things are changing fast. You never want to leave nothing to chance. You know, the whole world is I mean, just look around you. You know, everything is getting crazy right now. So you need a backup plan. You never know. So you need a backup plan just in case you get somewhere else safe to be, or somewhere you can go with your family, you know, and relax a little bit. So, and besides that, hey, home is home. There's nowhere like home. You know, we can't wait for anybody else to come and develop Liberia. We have to be the one doing that. So there it is. Hey, if you haven't subscribed, hey, please don't try to miss out, man. Join the family, join the clan. Let's keep doing this. You know, let's make it happen, man. Come on now. Hey, gentlemen, just hit that subscribe button, guys. You know, let's make this happen. You never know, you might be saving yourself, you know, a good discount, you know. So hey, because I'm seeing everybody that's subscribing. So if you're watching and you're not subscribing, you're actually missing out. Subscribe. We've got more and more content, and we have our new one of our projects that is almost to roof level right now. So we're gonna be bringing that in the next video, just to make sure I know we are keeping you up to speed with all of our projects going on. So until then, I love you. Thanks for watching again. Peace. Take care.